Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Tech Tutors. Today we are going to resolve Street Fighter Cross Tekken error. So the error we are dealing with today is error 0xffff. The screen will get stuck as soon as you open the Street Fighter Cross Tekken .exe file. So to close it, we need to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on the keyboard to open Task Manager and find Street Fighter Cross Tekken and close it from there. So to remove the error, head over to this link and download this file and place it where you can remember it. I'm going to place it on my desktop. The file has been downloaded. Now, copy the file and open Street Fighter Cross Tekken file destination. And paste it there. Now run the game from the game folder or from the desktop shortcut. It will run this time. Enjoy your game and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.